Imagine this. Someone you love deeply, maybe your partner, your child, your sibling, or your best friend, is stuck. Stuck in pain, stuck in struggle, stuck in a situation that seems impossible to change. You watch them day after day fighting silent battles. And no matter how much advice you give, no matter how many times you say, "I'm here for you," something inside you whispers, "It's not enough. What if I told you there's a way to help, a way so powerful, yet so gentle that it doesn't interfere with their free will, doesn't force change on them, but instead creates a shift so deep the universe responds in ways you never imagined." Today I'm going to share something that will change the way you see your power, not just for your life, but for the lives of those you love. And it begins with Ho'oponopono. But this isn't just Ho'oponopono as you've heard before. This is a technique combined with visualization, gratitude, and deep subconscious cleaning. It's not just words, it's energy, it's science. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to manifest a breakthrough for your loved one without saying a single word to them. Stay with me till the very end, because I'll also tell you about our 5-day free healing session coming up next month. So, if you've been praying for a way to heal deep-rooted patterns, whether for yourself or someone you love, you do not want to miss this. Now, before we dive into the step-by-step technique, I want you to understand why your loved one is suffering, and why, no matter how much you love them, they might still be stuck. Science tells us that the subconscious mind is like a recorder. From the moment we're born, it absorbs everything: our parents' beliefs, their fears, their patterns, their wounds. Not just that. Epigenetics has proven that trauma can pass down through generations. So sometimes the pain your loved one carries didn't even start with them. It might have started with their parents, or even their grandparents. And here's the part most people don't realize. We are all connected, energetically, emotionally, vibrationally. When someone close to you is stuck, that energy affects you. And when you carry guilt, worry, or frustration about their situation, you unknowingly amplify the very energy that keeps them stuck. So here's the truth that will set you free. If you want to help them, the first place to start is not with them. It's with you. Take a deep breath right now, because what I'm about to say next might completely shift how you've been trying to help the people you love. What if their suffering is showing up in your life for a reason? What if it's a reflection of something stored in your subconscious? A memory, a wound, a belief? And what if, by cleaning that memory inside you, you could set both of you free? That's the power of Ho'oponopono. Now, if you've been following my channel, you might remember my previous video, Your Inner Child Decides How People Treat You. In that video, we talked about how your inner programming shapes your reality. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend watching it after this one, because today's technique will make even more sense when you understand that concept. But here's the good news. You don't need to talk to your loved one. You don't need to convince them to change. You don't need to fight their resistance, because the shift will happen within you. And when your energy changes, their reality begins to reflect that change. So let me take you on this journey. I want you to think of your loved one right now. Picture them in your mind. Maybe they're struggling with health, money, relationships, or even emotional pain. See them clearly. Now notice what you feel in your body when you think about their struggle. Is it worry, fear, helplessness? That feeling is your signal. It's the memory you're about to clean. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. There's an invisible cord connecting you and them. And on this cord are tiny knots. These are old memories, shared pain, ancestral wounds, things you may not even remember. Every time you say the 4 phrases of Ho'oponopono, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, you are untying those knots one by one. But we're going to take it deeper. We're going to add visualization and gratitude to amplify the effect. Here's how. Start by saying the 4 phrases slowly, gently, like a whisper from your soul. As you do, visualize your loved one bathed in a soft golden light. See them smiling, healthy, free, living their best life. Hold that vision as if it's happening right now, and as you do, say, thank you for this reality, thank you for this healing, thank you for this freedom. Feel the gratitude in every cell of your being, because gratitude is the bridge that connects the present to the future you desire. And here's the science behind why this works. Your subconscious mind cannot distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. When you hold a vision with strong emotion, your brain fires the same neural pathways as if it's already happening. Combine that with the cleansing power of Ho'oponopono, and you're rewiring your subconscious, not just yours, but influencing the quantum field that connects you and your loved one. I've seen miracles happen with this. In fact, one of my friends came to me desperate to help her brother who had been struggling with depression for years. She tried everything, therapy, motivational talks, medication, but nothing worked. I taught her this exact technique. For 21 days, she cleaned every day, visualized his healing, and thanked the universe for it. On day 19, she got a call from him. He sounded different, lighter, hopeful. 2 weeks later, he enrolled in a program that changed his life. Today, he's thriving. And when she told me, she said, I didn't even have to say a word to him. The change happened within me first. Do you see the power you hold? Now let me ask you, if you could help your loved one without pressure, without force, just through love and energy, would you commit to this practice? Because if you do, your life will never be the same. And remember, this is just one layer of healing. If you want to go deeper, join my 5-day free healing session happening next month. We're going to uncover and release the deep-rooted patterns that keep you and your loved ones stuck. All the details and updates will be shared in our WhatsApp community, so make sure you join. That's also where you can reach out to me for group sessions or personalized one-on-one healing. Before we end, take a moment. Place your hand on your heart. Whisper the 4 phrases. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel the peace. Feel the connection. And know this, you are not helpless. You are powerful beyond measure. And if this video touched you, if you felt a spark of hope, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe, because we are just getting started on this journey together. Now I have a question for you. Whose name came to your mind when you were visualizing today? Comment below and let me know. Because when you declare healing for someone, you start a ripple effect that changes lives. Stay blessed, stay aligned, and keep cleaning. I'll see you in the next video.